advantage of my sweetness tastes less like honey and more like tears. You won't acknowledge me until you wake, for I am the earth being rebirthed. I will rise for myself again and again.
I am the beautiful sunsets after the rain. I am the meows of my cats to the chirps of the morning birds. I am from the land of waterfalls where the tropical flowers grow. I am the smell of my mother's arepas. I am light on my air. I am light on my feet like air.
I am from the sun that begins to the start. I am from the birds that sing when I hear them when I wake up. I am from the smell of grass.
I am from northern New Mexico's painted skies. I am from fresh earth, monsoon rain, and clay. I am from indigenous tongue, villages filled with laughter, sorrow, pain as we rebel. I am from acequias, trees blowing in the breeze, the cold dead winters, and fire pit ash.
I am from the worn hand of hard-working women. I am from the sound of ties cut loose. I am the bittersweet crumb broken from the whole. I am a light in a constant and ever-shifting tide. I am from the balloons rising over the desert. I am from the sound of early morning news. I am from the smell of the food from the houses of my grandparents. I am from the taste of fresh tortillas with butter. I am from the sun in my face and the wind at my back. I am